Alright, today on Trabass TV, we're gonna talk about Bunaman, Joe Grind, the nigga where I fuck your girl. One, never ever got a girl them crib.
Trabass?
Yeah, we're going.
Nuh-uh.
Sexy still, you know?
You too? Oh my god, I'm feeling in real life.
Yeah, so you know, come on, me and come chill.
Which part you leave?
Up on one, what is it?
That's too far.
Oh shit, so yeah, where you want?
I live right there, so you know?
Yeah, where you man there?
No, no man.
No man?
No man.
No man. Alright. Far down. You have food there, house?
Of course. That's what I'm be.
Rule 2, always check your surroundings. Make sure say nobody not dip on the ends when you go there.
That's it. Nice house, this.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Yeah, what want me to come in on?
Let's see who come on.
Alright.
Rule 3, never take off your clothes when you go to one girl house. You see the hole on your underpants, use it. That's why them put it there.
Baby, come on. Take off your clothes. Don't mash me up.
Alright. Sexy though.
Of course.
So yeah, David.
Oh yeah, mama.
Get on that store. Fuck. Alright. Alright, you me some. Ready for big papa?
Rule number 4, all Bunaman supposed to know this. When you go up on the job, never leave your tools off the trade. Always have your condom.
Shit. Dave's another condom.
Am I supposed to have one in on?
What you saying, Anna, man?
Banana man.
What you do with them there?
But wear them in the house sometime.
Okay.
Babe.
Alright, come, show it. Alright.
Rule number 5, during sex, always look out. Look out.
Huh?
You hear something?
No. I want to tell something now.
Rule number 6, never catch feeling for a girl where you just have sex with.
I did bad though.
Yeah. You know some love you.
Mom, man.
What you mean? Eh?
My son have my man.
That's a Bunaman, if you ever get in a trouble like you're on a ends and a man run in and come catch you, you have 5 ways of escape.
Get out.
Show us where you go.
I got my yard, you can't see it.
What a wood of bomb? Oh yo!
Baby.
Oh yo!
Please,
Shut the fuck up! May I murder the two of them? Lock your eye and say a prayer. May I send you out? Number 2.
Fight it out.
Show us where you go.
I got my.
Oh yo! Straight that.
Talk it out.
Show us where you go.
Yeah, go.
Wait a minute. Oh yo!
Yo. Go talk about this man, big man.
Hey,
Well,
listen.
let me talk to the man. Shut up now.
What you say to me?
Me have more live with some money night still, you know. A big man live, you know. Me have Julia and watch, you know.
That makes sense.
That should have just come out to, you know.
That makes sense, cause you fuck my girl down, so I'm supposed to get something from you.
Yeah, man. You can hold on for me, I tell you, know.
Number 4.
Stay smart. Pull a fast one.
Go.
Me I go home. Hold him.
What just happened?
I'm a cousin.
What do you mean?
Call me.
Alright.
The bumbuck. 5.
Switch on everything.
Where you go?
Yeah, go. Oh shit, me glad you come. Come here, my brother. The girl ain't no good enough.
What do you mean?
What do you mean we're not good?
We just fuck a while ago, you know. She said because she never have no.
La, baby, no.
Come fuck around, no feel girl, no.
Baby, no.
Take over this one.
But I really feel like my girl that give me a bun right now. She love me like. Wait there. Yeah.